Layered architecture. Data access layer. A data access layer, DAL, computer software is a layer of a computer program which provides simplified access to data stored in persistent storage of some kind, such as an entity relational database. This acronym is prevalently used in Microsoft environments. Data access layer. Also, business logic methods from an application can be mapped to the data access layer. So, for example, instead of making a query into a database to fetch all users from several tables, the application can call a single method from a DAL which abstracts those database calls. Business layer. We write our workloads on this layer. First of all, it is worth mentioning that this layer is the layer that will receive the data drawn into the project by the data access layer. We do not use the data access layer directly in our applications. By putting the business layer together, we make business do it for us. The data from the user first goes to the business layer and then is processed and transferred to the data access layer. Presentation layer. This layer is the layer on which the user interacts. In this layer, a form application can be developed in a web application, console application, or mobile application. The main purpose here is to show the data to the user and to transmit the data from the user to the data access layer over the business layer. Entities layer. Adding two more accepted layers to the projects, which basically consist of 3 layers, allows the projects to have a more flexible structure. The first is the entities layer. The second is the core layer. Core layer, it is the layer with the most common classes to be used in a multi-layered architectural projects, regardless of the project. Since different ORMs can be used for database access, a separate repository for each ORM is created on this layer. Dependency injection, DI. Finally, I want to show a dependency injection code sample. In software engineering, dependency injection is a technique in which an object receives other objects that it depends on.